It's here. We got the drone ready to go. So if you look at it, this thing looks mean. I'm kind of scared of it. I don't know what to do, but I've seen that if I move this button here, this is the first thing that I'm ever gonna wrap that's electronical like this. From what I'm told, the DJI Inspire is an expensive drone. And I was told, Daniel, wrap it, make it look cool, just one condition. Don't mess it up. We're gonna mess it up. Just kidding, we're gonna wrap it, we're gonna make it tight. The idea here is to go with sparkle green. Can we wrap it? Can you wrap a drone? Daniel, can you wrap a drone? I don't know, never wrapped one before. So we're gonna find out today. First things first, we're gonna start cleaning this thing up. So it's been in the air, it's been in the sky, it's been on the ground, it's had birds around it. Maybe not birds around it, I don't know. There's a little damage right here though, I'll say that. It looks like it took a spill once or twice. I'm gonna clean it up with some alcohol. Initially, I wanted to take it apart. I don't want to take it apart after looking into it and what it's gonna take. There's gonna be limitations. Looking at it, there's gonna be definitely limitations on this drone, what you can and can't do. There's a set of lights back here. I'm gonna try to trim those out. There's a button right here, which I don't know what that does, but it does something. Hopefully it doesn't take off on me. Let's clean it up and start wrapping. Cut a piece of material big enough to cover the whole surface right here up top. What I'm gonna try to do is, this will be accented. The whole thing won't be wrapped, not all of the white's gonna go away. I'm gonna start laying, I'm gonna find out what I'm able to do and what I'm not. Basically, I'm gonna leave some of the white. It's gonna be accented with the white and the green, but I need to cut out the other side. The other side hasn't been cut out yet. We also got these little guys that need to be cut. I did one just to see what it's gonna look like. Gonna be the first can we wrap it that I'm gonna say no, we can't wrap it because I don't want to wrap these.
And you booked it. Hey, I said it could probably be done. Talk to Daniel and Jefe, see if they want to do it for can we wrap that. After that, it was out of my hands.
Yeah, thanks Mitch. Thanks fucking Mitch. Listen, wrapping a drone, very, very tedious. Obviously when we try to do these can we wrap it's, we're trying to do a quick, easy. This is hard. There might be a point in this series when I say, I don't want to do this anymore. I'm done. I'm out. It's not just yet though. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna finish it up, show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna do some trimming, try to make it look cool. Don't email me asking to wrap your drone though. All right, so here we are. About 20 minutes later. Didn't go fully in depth on wrapping this thing. I quickly realized it was really, really hard. The customer, the client, this is his baby. This is how he makes money. We called him, we said, yo, can we take this thing apart? He goes, I don't think I want you to take it apart. That's how I make my money. So we didn't take it apart. With that said, we were limited to things we could do, but it still looks really cool. Made this thing look like no other DJI Inspire out there is wrapped in this candy apple green with the gold flake. This is the lowrider of robots. And yes, I said robot. Nowhere near perfect, but it was fun, it was challenging, it was hard. Don't try this at home, or try it at home, have fun. Can we wrap it? I don't think so. I don't ever want to do this again. It was fun, it was a nice attempt, but this is just one of those things I wouldn't do again. What else do you guys want to see us wrap? Do you want to see me fail again? Pick something even harder. The drone sucked, it was no fun.
Hey, that's your fault, Mitch. That's your
Not my
fault.
fault.
No, that's your fault.
It's Daniel not knowing his limitations.
There is no limits. I'll try anything once.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one, and we love you.